Hello guys, how are you? Hola chicos, hola chicas, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a otro video sobre cómo aprender español. Welcome back to another video on how to learn Spanish. My name is Stephanie Chavez. I am from San Jose, Costa Rica. And if you don't know where Costa Rica is, that's okay. Nobody knows anyway. Costa Rica is located in Central America. And Central America is the tiny part that connects North America to South America. That's us right here. I know that in some parts of the world people call it South America, but it's not South, it's Central America. In America we have North America, Central America, and South America. And the last thing that I wanted to say is that Central America is formed by Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panamá, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Belize. And remember, we are not South America, we are Central America. Okay, now that we clarified that, we can keep going. Going back to Spanish, I have been speaking Spanish for the past 31 years, so I think I'm really good at this. I know how to speak Spanish. Spanish is spoken in 22 countries in North America, Central America, and South America, and Spain. And it varies from country to country. So this country is super open, super wide open. We can say so many things in so many different ways. So today we're gonna learn how to say hello, how are you, I am okay, and you, and things. Okay, are you guys ready? Because I am so ready. First word, number one, hola. Hola. That means hello. So it's not going to be hola. It's going to be hola. Because the H is going to be silent. Hola. Okay, number two, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está means how are you? ¿Cómo is going to be how. Está is going to be are. And the you, we're going to drop it because we think it's redundant, so we don't use it. We do that a lot in Spanish. Remember that. Okay. Word number three. Muy bien. ¿Y usted? Muy bien. ¿Y usted? Very good. This is going to be very good and you. Okay, so muy is going to be very. Bien is going to be good. This Y is going to be and usted is going to be you in a formal and polite way. And word number four, we have muy bien, gracias. So in this part, we're going to repeat the muy bien and add gracias. That means thanks. Muy bien, gracias. So now you know how to say hi, how are you, I am okay, and you, and thanks. That's amazing. So the order is going to go like this. You say, hola, ¿cómo está? The other person is gonna say, muy bien. ¿Y usted? And you are gonna say, muy bien, gracias. Perfect, very good. That was amazing. So we can use this when we're talking to somebody that we already know or somebody that we're just meeting for the first time. Perfect. So now you know how to say, hola, ¿cómo está? Muy bien. ¿Y usted? Muy bien, gracias. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope I can see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to memorize all the words in the vocabulary section and check out all the highlights in the PDF.